Well, here we are leaving the International Motorcycle Show in Chicago. Can't even hear my bike over that guy's, and he's like across the way. The heck? You need to pay $20 to park here. See where I'm parked? I'm not even in the valet area. I'm in here, just inside the door of the valet. They told me I wasn't allowed to park outside of the sidewalk. I had to park in here, and they made me pay $20. Put my bike up against the side of the building. Huh, how do we get out of here? Where's the exit? Hey, how do I get out of here?
They close that door?
Yeah.
Follow this around all the way to the back there. It's open in the back, and then you go around to the right.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Airplane landing. We're right by O'Hare. Like, we're going to drive right past O'Hare Airport to the airplane. Nice bike. Totally have hair in my mouth. Yeah, I totally have hair in my mouth. Yeah, airplane. My thingamabobber was caught. I couldn't shift because my, apparently the sole of my rain boot covers are shredded, and the shredded part got stuck on the foot peg, and I couldn't get my foot forward onto the shifter. It was such a low first gear. That's annoying. I'm hoping the Audi A6 is faster than the Honda, whatever that is. Look at those stairs. That'd be fun on a motorcycle. Hooray for long lives. Longer lives. Our turn. We just stay on this forever. Pretty much how that goes. We'll be out of film before I get home. It's like an hour ride. We've already been filming like 10 minutes or something stupid like that, so. And they're going to turn. Oh, not. I gave a thank you wave behind me because the guy waved and told me to go ahead. And he didn't have to do that. That was very nice of him. So I said, thank you. I think I was getting in trouble before because I was doing it angrily. But when I do it nicely... Oh, by the way, we're going in between the airport right now. We're driving right through O'Hare. It's kind of cool. I would turn and show you, but I'm kind of watching the road because it looks wet. And it is above freezing right now, but yeah. That's it. We drove through O'Hare. Yay, that was cool. I got to get over because these guys are not watching. How exciting. All the snow, it's like up over my knee, has to melt. It's going to be a mess over the next few days. Hi. He did not look like he wanted to wave back. So I jury rigged my backbuster with duct tape. You can't tell in the dark. I'll take pictures and insert them here. Picture. And picture! No.